So, we're really baking cookies this late?
Yeah, I didn't realize how fast tomorrow came.
Happens every year. December just disappears.
It really does. 1 minute it's the first, then suddenly it's Christmas.
At least we're finally doing it.
Yeah, better late than never.
You want me to measure the sugar?
Sure, 1 cup, not packed.
All right. Like this?
Yeah, that's fine. Close enough.
Butter next, right?
Yep, and we'll mix until it's smooth.
We should have softened the butter earlier.
I know, but we got home late.
True. Traffic was awful.
It's okay, we'll just be patient with it.
You're surprisingly calm for December.
I think I'm just tired. Tired makes me quiet.
Yeah, me too.
But this is still nice.
It is. Just standing here, making something.
I like the quiet.
Same. No music, no noise, just us.
We should do this more often, not only at Christmas.
Agreed.
Can you crack the eggs?
I'll try not to drop shells in.
If you do, we'll fish them out. No big deal.
Good attitude.
I'm learning to let small things go.
I kind of like that. Simple night, simple cookies.
Yeah, no pressure to make it perfect.
Makes it feel more real.
I don't want perfect, just honest.
And edible.
Yes, edible is a bonus.
Dough looks good, though.
Yeah, I think so too.
We'll chill it a bit, then bake.
Sounds good. No rush.
So, we're really baking cookies this late? Happens every year. December just disappears. At least we're finally doing it. You want me to measure the sugar? All right. Like this? Butter next, right? We should have softened the butter earlier. True. Traffic was awful. You're surprisingly calm for December. Yeah, me too. It is. Just standing here, making something. Same. No music, no noise, just us. Agreed. I'll try not to drop shells in. Good attitude. I kind of like that. Simple night, simple cookies. Makes it feel more real. And edible. Dough looks good, though. We'll chill it a bit, then bake.
Yeah, I didn't realize how fast tomorrow came. It really does. 1 minute it's the first, then suddenly it's Christmas. Yeah, better late than never. Sure, 1 cup, not packed. Yeah, that's fine. Close enough. Yep, and we'll mix until it's smooth. I know, but we got home late. It's okay, we'll just be patient with it. I think I'm just tired. Tired makes me quiet. But this is still nice. I like the quiet. We should do this more often, not only at Christmas. Can you crack the eggs? If you do, we'll fish them out. No big deal. I'm learning to let small things go. Yeah, no pressure to make it perfect. I don't want perfect, just honest. Yes, edible is a bonus. Yeah, I think so too. Sounds good. No rush.